Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to battle friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to battle friends in Pokemon TCG Pocket, what you need to do is head over and open up your TCG app. Once you're inside there, what you need to do in order to battle friends in Pokemon is first what you need to do is simply add your friend. Now to add your friend, what you need to do is tap on this social hub icon, and then once you tap on it, here you'll find the friends option. Tap on that as well. Now here on the top right you'll be seeing this contact plus icon, right? Simply tap on that, and on tapping that, here what you need to do is type in or enter in your friend ID number right there. And once you do that, tap on done, and once done, here the player will be or your friend will be listed right here. Tap on that to add your friend. Now once you do that, go back, and then you'll find the option to battle with your friend. Tap on that and you'll be able to battle with your friend. So that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.